So guys, today I'm showing you how to install phone info tool in your Kali Linux in Android. So first make your terminal update and upgrade guys. I given this all the link and the commands in my telegram channel guys. So please visit there, copy it and paste it in your terminal. Okay. Copy the first one, apt update and apt update. You can copy or you can type also. Okay. Copy and paste it here, and otherwise type it here and press enter. Okay. It will install every requirement files. After that, go to Google and search for the phone info GitHub. Okay, click the first one. Okay, click here documentary, and then afterwards here the installation, and copy this first link. Okay, copy the first link, come back to a terminal and paste it here and press enter. Okay, it will install the phone info tool in your Kali Linux. Okay, so we will wait for the installation process. It is asking for you the which version you have to download the phone info. You have to type 3. Okay, the phone info Linux arm64.tar.gz. okay, 3 and press enter. It will install. It will take some minutes in your terminal guys. See guys, it's installing. See guys, after that copy this one. Okay, sudo mv phone info. Okay, copy this one and press enter. Okay, it's done now. Now copy this one, just copy it here and paste it here. See, the phone info tool is successfully running. Okay, after that clear the terminal. Okay, ls, I'll clear it. I'll type phone info. See guys, the successfully it's running. Okay, and after that you can check this one. Okay, copy this one, first one, copy it and paste it here. Okay, this video is only for educational purpose guys. So, and after that phone info and scan -n. Okay, this number is like it's not a real number, it's just a temp number. Okay, temp number. Okay, if I press enter, you can see the details. Okay, you can copy this URL and you can see more details of this number. If you want to use this phone info in GUI mode, okay, copy this code. Okay, I given these codes and link in my telegram channel guys, so please visit it, copy it and paste it in terminal. Okay, and copy this one and press enter. Okay, listening on 5000. Okay, come back here and copy this one, go to Google, just copy and paste it here. Okay, you can search the number from here also. Okay, for example, I will take the India. For example, I will take the India and I will use this number only. Okay, it's not a real number guys, it's just a temp number. Okay, I'm not using any real number here because the safety purpose. See, you can see the it's you have to set up the API keys for this one. Okay, for the GUI mode. If you're not necessary, you can use this mode also. Okay, in your terminal. See guys, this video is only for education purpose guys, so thanks for watching.